In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove sound from video in CapCut PC. If your footage has noisy camera audio, background chatter, wind, or any other sound you don't want, CapCut gives you a few quick ways to clean it up. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through 3 simple methods, depending on whether you want to mute an entire track, silence just one clip, or remove the audio completely from the video. The first method is the fastest option if you want to mute a whole video track at once. On your timeline, look over to the far left side of the track lane where your video clips are placed. You'll see a small speaker icon labeled for muting clip audio. Click that icon and CapCut will instantly silence all sound across every video clip on that track. This is especially useful if you have several clips stacked on the same track and you know you don't want any of their original audio. The second method is better when you only want to mute one specific clip instead of everything on the track. Start by clicking the video clip you want to edit in the timeline so it becomes highlighted. Then move to the top right Properties panel and look under the Audio and Basic Settings. There you'll find the volume slider. Drag that slider all the way down to -infinity decibels. That brings the clip's volume down to complete silence. This method is great when you want more control and only need to remove sound from certain parts of your project. The third method is the most complete option because it actually separates and removes the audio file itself. Right-click on your video clip in the timeline and choose Separate Audio. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus S. CapCut will detach the audio and place it on its own audio track below the video. Once that happens, click the separated audio block to highlight it, then press Delete on your keyboard. At that point, the original sound is fully removed from the clip. So to quickly recap, you can mute an entire track with the speaker icon, lower an individual clip's volume to silence in the Properties panel, or separate and delete the audio completely. Choose the method that matches the kind of edit you're doing, and you'll be able to clean up your video fast inside CapCut PC. You're all set, and that's it.